Welcome back to Broke SEDC. Got another one of these Ken Onion smoke shows. Oh, it is the smoke show, man. This thing, the more you look at it, the more I see that I really like it. And I'm usually not a flipper only kind of filler. I like to have multiple deployments, but that one just does it. Let's hit them specs and then we'll get into it. Blade length 3.29 inches, closed 4.46, so overall you're looking at 7 3/4 inch. That is M390 still coming to you on a flat ground bead-blasted drop point. Now this handle material, titanium copper foil carbon fiber. 3 different materials, or 3 different colors, layered out. Bolstered frame lock riding on ceramic bearings, tip up right carry from Mr. Ken Onion's crazy mind. 3.88 ounces. Sick drop shutty action. Just a nice back spacer with a little bit of jimping going into a lanyard hole. Look at this pocket clip. Is that thing going to be sweet? Sticking out the pocket looking all like that. That's going to just get some attention by itself. And then that design carries over into this smooth looking pivot. Man, does that thing slug out. Melt away handle. You feel the clip just a hair, but nothing crazy. Blade, zero play, lock up solid. Dead nut center. Billboarding, it's there. You've got to really look for it. This thing is clean. Hardware the same. Couple out back in this badass pivot. Lock bar access nice and smooth, and this thing's fighting on another level. We are talking $355, $400. It is a serious piece, but to have all these materials laid out like this fit, this finish, you're gonna pay. And that action is just very satisfying. It is the smoke show. I just can't decide if I really like it. I just don't know if it's a forever piece or not. Kind of ponder on it. But I do know this, it's part of the pass around. I'm gonna miss it when it's gone. So it's definitely, it's a secondary market if I snag one. What do you think of the smoke show from Karbon with a K? Drop that comment, hit that thumbs up button while you're there. And don't forget, set your calendars and check out the Knifeaholics on Saturday night. Y'all, stay sharp, stay safe.